Hey guys, this is Nicky Tandon making an unboxing video on these Powerbeats3 by Beats by Dr. Dre. And these are the third generation, the latest model that have Bluetooth 5.0, and they're wireless. They don't have wires, and some special features of them are they're Bluetooth, as you know. Battery life is up to 12 hours of wireless play. Fast fuel is 5 minutes of charge, and then it equals to 1 hour of playtime. It's sweat and water resistant, adjustable secure fit ear hooks, and control music and calls with the built-in volume rocker and play pause button. Now, without further ado, let's get into the box. Now, just a disclaimer, I already opened the box to charge the headphones and to see if they came with everything. So don't mind if everything's a little scrammed in here. So this is just going to show you what's inside. So we've got the headphones shown in this plastic viewfinder. So there would be some tape on the bottom that would look like that. And you would have to tear it off nice and smoothly. Then you could lift up the lid nice and evenly. And then here would be the headphones. Let me take these out for you so then you can see them. Stubborn thing. So these are the headphones. They're really small and they use micro USB for charging, as you can see, micro USB. And what I was talking about the play pause volume up and down. So you've got play pause in the middle, up on the right side of your view screen, but my left side, down on your left side and my right side, and they're tactile. So they click, and then these both are these both have very good sound quality, I've heard, and they should last you for 2 years, for I don't know, however long they'll last you. And this is the packaging for the headphone part. Let's put that aside. And then here we've got the accessories in here. Let's take these out. So let's put this box to the side, it's already emptied. So what comes with this is ear hooks, or earbud pieces. So these are for your ears. They're these little like earbud silicone gel pads. I already am using the ones that are pre-installed because it's super hard for me to get these in, so I don't really care. And these are $79.99 at this time of day on Amazon, and they bring you a lot of features. And so what's inside the pamphlet is you get a Beats sticker, you get warning information, and plus like important safety information. You can read that if you want, if you've got your own. And then here's the user manual, and it is really long. Pause it if you would like to zoom in to see. And then there's also a back side. And these require iOS 10 or macOS 10 Sierra to wirelessly hook up to, so you get the best experience. And then you get this regulatory and warranty information. And on the back side you would get a charging cable, and then you'd get this nice little case, which my family's here, so don't mind the stomping around. Shh. I'm doing a YouTube video. Oh. YouTube video.
Oh, you're making one?
Shh. And so you would get a little case for your headphones to sit in. It's not a zipper. It's just a little flap open. Blah, 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 blah. And that's mainly it. And this comes with a fast charging cable, but no charging brick. So, thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.